Hello everyone. So actually, first of all, I would like to admit here 3 mistakes I have done recently with the gold analysis. Number 1 was not listening to my inner voice. So actually, this is the weekly chart on the gold, and here we have appeared last week, of course, the inverted hammer, which surely a sign of the bearish fall on the market. Actually, I just didn't trust it because in the past we had here one of them and here another one, and I think even right here maybe we had one of them. So I wasn't really sure, and I felt like the gold is not really listening to the price action and it just keep rising. That is the first mistake. Number 2, the second mistake was not trusting in myself or in my abilities, because according to my trend line strategy, which I'm really famous with, the gold has exactly reversed from the same level where it actually should be according to my strategy of the trend lines. So as we can see right here, we have of course the resistance trend line, and actually I was really thinking to give a signal to sell the gold from there, but as we can see, it just didn't work. I just felt like we have to buy the gold, because if for the last 2 weeks I kept selling it and it just kept going against my direction, and I thought, okay, enough selling the gold, I think it's going to continue the rise. The third mistake actually was not really I'm not so proud of, was being affected by some of other traders. They have actually influenced me by telling me that nobody is now selling the gold, we are only buying, only crazy people will be selling the gold. Selling gold is crazy, it's insane. Even though on the weekly chart showing actually a strong level of selling, a strong price action for the sell. Not only that, but if we even apply here the support trend line, as you can see right now, let me just zoom out to show it to you. If I apply right here the support trend line and just simply apply it right there at that level of a previous support trend line, we can see that the market actually reaching exactly the same level of a previous support trend line. So right here is expected a reversal point. Again, things I didn't trust in myself, I didn't trust in my strategy of the magic of trend lines, so I have paid the price, and of course the gold signal has sadly failed. Actually, it was running in around 150 pips of profit. I wish I closed at that time. That is of course the third mistake, not closing it on the right time, not telling my followers to close it with 150 pips. So again, I'm sorry about my mistakes. I just feel really bad about it, and I hope that next time it's gonna be better, and I will just stop listening to any other ideas anymore. I will just listen to my inner voice and just make sure to send the signals using my own style and my way. And again, don't worry guys, we are doing here the best we can. Trading gold right now is really challenging, and we are doing of course the best we can to deliver you these signals. Anyway, let's now begin our extended deeper analysis on the gold, and let's now see what we can do next. So again, the weekly chart still shows of course a strong bearish movement, and here we of course have the inverted hammer, which confirms that the gold should continue the fall. So again, the next candle seems to be still bearish of course, and with that movement right now I'm expecting from the gold to continue the fall, at least to reach the broken level of a support at 2545. So again, the gold right now is expected to continue the fall to another 650 pips. Now where exactly we can continue selling the gold? So back to the 4-hour time frame. So right now we have here of course a broken level of a support, as we can see, and right now we can expect from the market of course to continue the rise, to retest the broken level of a support, and of course continue the fall. But that's surely not enough. We need of course more confirmation on that. So how we can do that, or actually how we can get this confirmation? Alright, so now what we can do next is simply draw here a support trend line from this lower low to this higher low, just like that. Now what you will do next is simply drag the very same line that you have drawn here. And by the way guys, this is the strategy which I'm famous about, with using the magic of trend lines. So what we will do right now is simply drag the very same line that we have drawn here and just simply place it right here exactly at the nearest level of a resistance trend line right here to that bearish breakout candle. Now what we can expect right now is a potential reversal to happen, and therefore the gold will continue to rise and most likely will reverse exactly at the same level of that resistance trend line. After that it will continue the fall. So that being said, Let's right now move to the 4-hour time frame, and as we can see, if we look carefully right here, we can see of course a broken level of a resistance exactly at 2634, and most likely if the market will continue the rise, it will surely respect this level of a resistance level, and of course retest the broken level of a support, and of course respect the previous level of a resistance trend line as we have showed earlier. Let me just make sure it's drawn correctly based on the 4-hour time frame. Exactly, just like that. Fantastic. Right here, exactly the nearest level of a resistance trend line to that bearish breakout candle. Therefore, that most likely is going to be the next level where the gold is expected to continue the fall, hopefully toward our take profit level. But of course, to make sure that we are actually getting out with a decent profit, I will make sure to draw this, to place my take profit level exactly at 2571, aiming around 600 pips hopefully of profit. However, the safe zone this time will be ranging till the highest level of a real resistance at 2662, ranging for around 300 pips. Actually, that's quite a lot. That's maybe a lot for a lot of you guys. So therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for around 240 pips against 620 pips of profit. And there goes, my friends, our deal on the gold. And I really hope this time is gonna go well, and I hope it's gonna be respected. Again, I'm doing the best I can. Of course, we cannot expect continuously good results. And by the way, while we are speaking, I have noticed here, of course, a broken level of a support trend line as well. So we can also expect another retest of that level. So again, my friends, gold is really tough nowadays, and we are doing just the best we can. However, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal, such as this one right here. When I mentioned if the gold made any bearish breakout from 2630, please consider closing it in loss. So of course, it indeed happened. I believe the gold indeed closed in, okay, of course we have right here the bearish breakout candle. So I believe many of you guys have closed this trade in around 70 or 80 pips of loss instead of 130. So again, I'm really doing the best I can here, even updating you on Telegram. Following up these signals is really important to me. However, to join this group, of course, you can find the link in the description below of this video, or you can just also look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals. And please be aware of the scammers who are using our name and logo. If you search for Xtreme Trader on Telegram, you will find at least 12 channels using my name and logo, pretending to be Xtreme Trader, and they are actually fooling their victims by telling that they can do funds management, which we never do. You actually, if you deposit your money with them, it will be gone, because they are thieves, they are scammers. They are just simply using our successful name and good reputation to catch their victims. So please, guys, be aware of them and be careful. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.